Welcome to the eDirectory tutorial. Today, we're guiding you through configuring location settings on your eDirectory website. You'll learn to customize your location hierarchy, rename levels, set a default location, and feature locations throughout your directory. Alright, let's dive in. First, we'll log into the Site Manager area. To do this, head to your address bar and type /site-mgr. Add it at the end of your domain and hit Enter. Then, enter your email and password and click Login. Once you're in the Site Manager area, click on Settings, Language, and Geography. Scroll down to the Choose the Locations you want to use section. eDirectory lets you organize locations into 5 hierarchy levels: country, region, state, city, and neighborhood. By default, country, state, and city are enabled, but you can customize the structure to suit your directory. Each location level has an Enable option to activate or deactivate. Remember, if a location level has listings, events, or classifieds, it can't be disabled until those associations are removed. You can also change the labels for each location level by editing the singular and plural forms. These labels appear throughout your website and in listing submission forms. For instance, under Content, Listings, when editing a listing, you should see labels like Country, State, and City. If your directory serves a single geographic area, set a default location. For example, if your directory only includes businesses in the United States, select United States as the default country and save changes. This pre-selects that location in the listing submission form, so users don't have to manually choose it each time they create content. For instance, if you check the listings now, you'll see the United States pre-selected as the default country. Additionally, you can set a location as featured. Featured locations appear in the Browse by Location widget, making it easier for visitors to find popular areas in your directory. It can display city, state, or country. If you have regions and neighborhoods activated, you can set them as featured too. For instance, you can see the featured location in this area of the site. For this site, the city is set to be featured. After setting up location settings, add your location data like countries, states, cities, and neighborhoods. For more on adding locations to your directory, watch our tutorial, How to Add Locations to Your eDirectory Site. That's all for now. Your location settings are now configured to organize your directory more efficiently. Thanks for watching.